Tailwind CSS is a utility-first CSS framework. It helps you build websites quickly. It provides predefined CSS classes. You can combine these classes to style your HTML elements. Tailwind is very customizable. You can create unique designs with it. Tailwind CSS is different from other frameworks. It doesn't have pre-built components. Instead, it gives you tools to build your own. This makes your websites unique and original. Tailwind CSS is also very fast. It is a small CSS file. It only includes the styles you use. This makes your website load quickly. A fast website is important for good user experience. Tailwind CSS is easy to learn and use. The documentation is very helpful. There are also many online resources available. If you need help, you can find many tutorials and examples. Let's create a simple website. Our website will have a header, main content, and a footer. The header will contain the navigation menu. The main content will have a form. The footer will display copyright information. First, we create an HTML file. We will use the basic HTML structure. We add a section and a section. Inside the section, we link our CSS file, HTML. We will use Tailwind CSS to style our website. We need to install Tailwind CSS. We can use a CDN link or install it locally. Once Tailwind is installed, we can start using its classes. Tailwind CSS provides classes for layout, colors, typography, and more. For example, we can use, for the main content area, these classes will center the content and add padding. HTML, we can use classes like and to style a button. This will create a blue button with white text. The button will also have padding on the top and bottom. JavaScript makes websites interactive. We can use JavaScript to handle button clicks. We can also use it to validate form input. First, we need to add a tag to our HTML. We add this tag before the closing tag. This is where we will write our JavaScript code. HTML. Now, we can write JavaScript code to handle the form submission. We can prevent the default form submission behavior. Then, we can get the form data. We can use this data to send an AJAX request or perform other actions.